Hey everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Joel and I'll be your guide. I do hope you'll stay for the whole ride and just sit back and enjoy. And if you do enjoy yourself, please hit that subscribe button. It'll really help. Alright, enough. Let's jump in. So today we're going to be drawing another peeker. So, finally started and finished Frieren. And oh my gosh, such a good anime. Loved it, enjoyed it. So if you haven't guessed it yet or looked at the thumbnail, we're drawing Frieren from Frieren. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know so I could possibly do other characters. Maybe Fern. If you want to see Fern, let me know in the comments. Anyways, let's get into the video. I haven't talked about it at all. So obviously we got the sketch done, we got all that figured out. Right now we're working on the line art. Oh, you know what? Let me tell you about the sketch. I sketched her out maybe 3 times. The first one was such a mess, there was lines everywhere. She was kind of hard to draw. I couldn't figure it out. But the first one, lines everywhere. I lowered the opacity on that one, sketched it again, repeated that again, and then I ended up with this kind of clean sketch. Glad I did it though, because the line art this time was so much more easier. I got the outline done pretty quickly. And like always, a few tricks here and there, like the eyes. Gotta duplicate them to get them symmetrical. I cannot wait to go back to paper. I'ma have the worst right eyes. I've only been drawing left eyes. Anyways, outline artwork, done. Hard part over. Now, for my personal favorite, we're gonna be coloring. Something about it, man, it's just so zen, I guess. I don't know. It's relaxing. So, I always start off with the base colors, just so I get it all blocked out first, and then eventually move into highlights and shadows. I don't know, it's just the way I've always done it, but it works. So yeah, once I get it all blocked in, like I said, I move into the highlights, shadows, add some details here and there, just to try to make it look the best I can. Gotta make sure I get every nook and cranny, crevasse, every little thing, because it makes a difference, it really does. Some parts you probably wouldn't even notice, but I notice. I'm focused on it, OCD about it. And yeah, especially on the hair, I add the most detail. That's where all the detail goes. One thing though about light-haired characters though, I have the most trouble with them. I just don't know how to really add a lot of detail into their hair because it's so light. Dark-haired characters, I add like 4 to 5 colors sometimes. Light-haired characters, only 2. I only add 2 colors. That's me personally though. I need to take like a crash course on color theory, so if anyone knows any good videos, let me know, or link it. Anyways, forget the hair, we're done with the hair. We're working on the eyes right now. That's the last part and we're completely done. And here it is, check it out everyone, this is the final draft. Personally, I think it looks pretty damn good. You can see it way better without the background. But yeah, let's move this over to the computer and let's get it ready to print. Right here, it's just a sped up process of what I'm doing to get it ready to print. Just adding up how many I want. Got the printer ready, let's go ahead and hit print. And here we go. It's printing. All we got left now is just waiting for it to finish. And while we wait, while it's doing its thing, let me tell you about the printer. I get this question all the time. The printer is called a Roland BN20. It prints and cuts out the sticker for you. It uses UV ink, so it'll last you a while, and it'll last even longer if you laminate it. But it's not necessary, depending on what you're trying to do with it. Going on the wall, don't need it. My car, actually don't really need it either. I like to switch out my stickers. That's just me personally though. I don't leave them on there. I like to switch them out. I don't want to be that car with like 1,000 stickers on it. So yeah, anyways, printer finished a little while back. We got it cut out. We took it over to our desk. Now we're weaving it out. After that, we're gonna grab our transfer paper, roll it out. We're gonna lay it on there, grab our squeegee, and get all the air bubbles out. Once that's done, let's flip it over and take it to our cutter. And now we're just gonna chop away. And that's basically it. Check them out, here they are. So they actually ended up looking a lot smaller than they really are. So all the peekers I've done so far are 4.5 inches wide, including this one. But since she has such big ears, it made her a lot wider than tall. So the height didn't height. She's only about 2.5 inches tall, but it's not bad. I still like it. Let me know what you guys think. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.